Well, we made it to the campsite. Just got done gathering some wood. Campground's pretty empty. Here's where we're at. I don't know if you can see behind me, but just getting the wood unloaded. Got all of it in my back truck. Drove up the mountain a little bit more to gather some wood for firewood, and we're gonna just start setting up camp. So thanks for coming along. Hope you guys enjoy this trip. Processing wood, getting everything ready to go. It almost looks like fat wood, all the sap in there, but not quite. About 4 or 5 inch logs. Not bad. That stuff will burn really good too. Right there, so just wheel on it. Keep going. Watch it, watch it. Right through a knot. Almost there.
You alright?
Yeah. I'm going small, look at that. So. Wind's picking up, feels good. You really only need enough to get it going. The rest of these we can just throw in when it's off, when it's self-sustaining.
Crap.
Halfway there. Tired yet?
No.
I am.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, crap.
Go ahead. on, Grandpa. I can smell the wood getting hot. It smells like the wood's burning. There we go. K-bar heavy Bowie, by the way. This wood's got some sap in it too. Not quite fat wood, but I bet it will get there eventually. Either that or it's still got some moisture in it.
You're a sweat.
Ready? Let's try going halfway down and see what happens. Not easy. There's abuse of blood. Hold on. Straighten it out. Go.
Not moving.
We thought we scored on this big old like 6-inch log after I scrounged for some firewood up past the campground here, but this stuff is tough. We already had to saw through all this, and I recorded all of it. It was like 10 minutes long, and I accidentally deleted the footage, so sorry about that. You guys aren't going to see the sawing part, but that log you saw me drag up here, we sectioned that one off with my saw. This is what's left of it, but it's stuck in there. Watch out. Try the hatchet. Cheap Walmart hatchet. Let's see if this will work. Just bust on top of that. Been hitting the gym lately? Slacking off? Oh, there we go. There we go. Hit the just might have it now. There.
Good Lord.
There's sap in this. That's why. It's pine. I need a break. Alright, so today we're going to be making some pizza up here while we're camping. Real simple stuff. I went ahead and bought some of these pre-cooked pizza crusts. I've got 6 of them because we're pretty hungry. Been working for several hours processing wood and stuff. You really don't have to use a pan for these. You usually bake them, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a frying pan and I'm going to place some foil over it just to kind of emulate the baking process. They're already cooked, but they'll just crust over a little bit and rise a little bit. Gonna have the Hawaiian style pizza. I got some Ragu pizza sauce, shredded Colby and Monterey Jack cheese, and then we're gonna put Canadian bacon slices on it. So it should be really good. Real simple. I'm just gonna cook it over medium heat, put the pizza sauce on the crust, probably cook one at a time, and then throw some bacon pieces, some pineapple chunks, and some cheese, and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully pretty good. I made it once before, but it's been quite a while, so had some good suggestions from you guys, so I appreciate that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started prepping this stuff, and I'll hopefully show you the finished product. If that doesn't work, then we're just eating bread and Canadian bacon. So anyways, guys, I'll catch you back in a little bit. Okay, so here's the pizza cooking. I got it prepped, got the sauce on, the bread, pineapple, Canadian bacon. So I'm just gonna cover that. With another pan. Let's see how good it is. That hits the spot. That's really good. This one didn't get quite as burned on the bottom, but just a little bit. It's kind of hard to avoid. Gets my thumbs up, that's for sure. You gonna make another one?
Yeah.
I turned off the fire.
Okay.
Well, it's been a fun trip so far. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Appreciate you guys for coming along and just letting this fire die out. Then we're gonna head in for the night and just enjoy some, hopefully some good sleep. We'll see though. There's some kind of beetle over here making noises, so I'm not sure I'm gonna get much sleep. But anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And leave a comment below if you got any questions, comments. It's always appreciated. Leave some likes if you feel like it. And thanks again, guys.